got a special guest who's coming up here right now. Special guest. Who's this? This is our special guest here tonight. You know, we gotta say something about this, guys. We gotta do something about this. This ain't right. You guys ready? Carry. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I heard some rumors going around town that I was out messing around and hey, I take it she heard them too. Cause what she did with my poor truck, it hit me real hard right in the gut. Sad thing is, she played me for a fool.